Good morning students, I am Niharika Sethi, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication, Department of Electrical, GP Jasper. Today we will study different types of digital circuit like adder circuit. So in digital electronics, the digital circuits are broadly classified as combinational circuit and sequential circuit. Combinational circuit are circuit which in which the output depend only on present input, but in sequential circuit the present output not only depend on present input but also depend on past history. Okay, so one of the combinational logic circuit is adder. Today we will study half adder circuit. So half adder, what is adder? Adder is a digital circuit which can do the addition of two binary number. Half adder means which can add two binary numbers. Suppose we will take two binary number as A and B. So binary numbers, two binary numbers can be either both are 0, one is 0, another is 1. This one is 1, another one 0, or both are equal to 1. So after addition we will get two output. One is sum, another one is carry. So sum here I am taking the short form of sum as S and carry as C. So when 0, one of the binary number 0 will be added with 0, then sum will be 0, so as also carry is 0. Whenever 0 added with 0, then sum is 0, carry is 1. 0 when added with 1, this is 0, 0. When 0 is added with 1, then sum is 1, carry is 0. When 1 is added with 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. Then 1 is added with 1, then sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. So sum and carry are both output and two input digital binary input are given A and B. So this is the symbol of half adder circuit in which two input binary inputs are given A and B. This is a half adder circuit, and here the output is sum and this is your carry. So how to design the sum circuit and carry circuit? So as you know, here sum is 1. Remember, the one of the digit is 0, another one is 1. So I can take the complement of A bar, and this one is B. So I can write here total sum expression is A bar B plus. Here also the sum is 1 whenever the input A is A and B is complement of B, A B bar. So this is A B bar. So here as you know, the sum is A bar B plus A B bar, which is the expression of A XOR B. So I can design the sum circuit by using a XOR gate giving two input A and B. Then what will be the circuit for carry? Carry, as you know, here carry is 1 whenever both the digits are 1. So variable corresponding variable is A and B. So the expression for carry is AB. The expression for carry is AB. So now how will design the logic circuit of half adder circuit? So if I am giving one input as A, another input as B, then now I can design the sum circuit by taking two input to a XOR gate whose output is sum, and carry is A and B. So I can take a AND gate here. This circuit will give me the carry. So this is the internal circuit behind a half adder circuit in which we have given two input A and B, and we are taking two output sum and carry. This is a combinational circuit in which the output, present output always depend on present input. That has nothing to do with the past history or past value, as combinational circuit is totally depend on present input. Present output depend on present input. So here as we have taken two binary digits which is added by half adder circuit. Whenever we want to add more than two binary number, then instead of using a half adder circuit we can go for full adder circuit. in which more than 2 binary number can be added. So I can take more than 2 binary numbers. Suppose I will take 3 binary numbers A, B and C. Then output will be sum and carry. Okay. So as there is a confusion between this C and this C, then I am making one of the input as Cin. So whenever 3 binary digits are there, so all the possible combination that can be 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Input binary inputs are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Whenever 0 is added with 0, then sum is 0 and having no carry. So again 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. Again 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, sum 1, carry again 0. Here 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Here 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, sum 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Again 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 and having carry 1. Again 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Again with sum 0, 1 is added. So sum is 1, carry is 1. So now this is the truth table for full adder circuit in which more than 2 binary numbers can be added. So we need to design this to perform the addition operation. So to design this, first we will simplify this truth table. So first I will go for the K map of sum. So how we will get the logic circuit for this full adder circuit? So as 3 inputs are taken, so I am taking this side A. So this is A bar and this is A. This side I have taken B and C in. So B in bar, C in bar, B in bar, B bar, C in. Then this is B, C in, then B, C in bar. So the sum here A bar, B bar, C. Then this is A bar, B bar, C. This one. Then A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar. This one. Then another one is A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar here. And another one is A, B, C. Here this is A, B, C. So by this K map, we can make any group as they are diagonally present. So we'll go for the Boolean simplification of this sum. So in Boolean simplification, I can write this expression for which sum is 1 as A bar, B bar, C in plus here A bar, B, C in. Here this one is this one A bar, B, C in bar plus this one is A, B bar, C in bar. Then this one is A, B and C. So as you can see here, taking A bar as common, I can write B bar C in plus B C in bar. So this is the expression for B XOR C in. So your simplified sum is equal to taking A bar as common. This will be B XOR C in. Again, from these two expression, I will take A as common. Okay, taking A as common, this will be B C in plus B bar C in bar. So this is actually the expression of XOR gate. I can XNOR gate, which I can write as complement of XNOR gate. So A, I can take this whole term as suppose Y and this is X. So now this is the expression of X bar Y plus X Y bar, which is ultimately AX XOR Y. So A XOR B XOR C. So I can, if I will give 3 input A, B and A, B and C in, then some circuit will be 3 input XOR gate apply this to XOR gate and this will be sum. Then for carry, so for carry I can go for this one, A bar BC. So here I can do the simplification for this in KMath. So in that way I can get the equivalent circuit diagram of carry also. Thank you.